Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to do a tuna sisig by using this tin can. It's very easy to do. So first I'm gonna show you the ingredients, and then don't worry, all my ingredients are all in my description, so you can just check the description. So I'm using this tuna chunks, and it's in sunflower oil. So I'll just use 1 can. And then this is a 1 big onion, so you need to chop that or make it smaller, mince it. And then scallion, and then 1/4 cup of pork crackling. And then I'm using also a soy sauce, approximately 2 teaspoons, but you can adjust if don't put too much, the whole 2 teaspoons, so we can always adjust. And then 2 chilies, the red and the green. And then I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, and then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So as I've said earlier, we can adjust, so don't just put them all together. So this is the good thing when you cook food, compared to the cake, that it's really, we have to be accurate with the measurement. So of course we need our mayonnaise. Mayonnaise, approximately 1/4 cup, or lesser than that if you don't want too much mayonnaise. So before we start, this tuna chunk, we have to remove the oil, so we need this cheesecloth. So this cheesecloth you can buy, in the baby section. You can buy the muslin, for the baby. So I bought like 3 of this, and then I just cut it. Then you can just throw that after. It's not too pricey. So we need to remove the oil, because once we put the oil in our pan, so there will be oil splatter, and we don't want that. So that's what we're gonna do now. I'll show you the next. Squeeze all the oil now. So these are the oils. So as you can see, it's like a ball now. This is now our tuna. So it's all dry. And then we're just gonna leave this one. We're gonna use a little bit of oil later on. Okay, I'll show you the next step. So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. I think that's okay. So we're just gonna make this like golden brown. Not too golden brown, but at least a little bit brown. As you can see, there's no oil splatter anymore, because we've already removed the oil from this fish. So that is a good sign. So, and then after it's become a little bit browny, then we can put all our ingredients. This is what we want to achieve. So it's slightly brown. We don't want to be brown too much. So this is what I want to achieve. So the next step, in a moderate fire, I'm gonna put this oil, because I'm gonna saute all the ingredients now. So that's what I do. So I'm gonna put this onion. This the secret of the sisig is the red onion. So and then I'm gonna add now the pork crackling. This is yummy. And then we can add now the I'm just gonna add first the chili. I'll just half the chili, because I've tried the chili. It's too hot and too spicy for me. So, and then everything you can add, like I've said. So you need to check if it needs too much soy sauce, because I only use the small can, so we always can adjust. The measurement I gave you, it's for 2 cans, so in a small. And of course our mayo. Like I've said earlier on, if you don't want too much mayo, we can always adjust. And this should be in a low fire. Then we can add now our scallion. So it's really colorful. If you see this one. So this is now, our sizzling is already finished and ready. But what I'm gonna do, oops, excuse me. I'm just gonna put this in a sizzling plate, and then I'm just gonna brush the butter. I'm not gonna put oil because in case of oil splatter again. So I'm gonna turn on and let it. So this is now our tuna sisig. So I put actually I use the 1/4 cup of mayonnaise because it's nice, and I adjust the chilies, by the way, because I said red and green, but we're not really like too spicy. We cannot really tolerate, so I adjust, and it's still hot, but at least we can eat this one. So just a piece of advice, if you find it too hot, you can just really adjust, or you can just use one chili. So as I've said earlier on, that we did not throw, but at least a little, you know, this oil from the can, a little bit there, just a little bit, and that's it. And we'll wait that for, I think, for another 30 minutes. No, 30 seconds. Sorry, 30 seconds. So it's best if we serve this tuna sisig in a sizzling plate. And this is good for appetizer, and it's really good. I hope you give a try. So ladies and gentlemen, guys, please give this a try at home. It's really, it's easy peasy to do. It's really nice. And the mayonnaise that I put, because when the first video earlier on, I put a little bit, but when the camera was off, I add a little bit more. So 1/4 cup is really a good measurement for the mayonnaise. But if you want some more, you can add more. And I think this is really ready. And shout out, by the way, to Fe Janapin of London. So hopefully, Fe, you will make this sisig next time. So guys, there you have it. It's another video, a cooking video. So please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tita Barbie. Bye and God bless. Have a nice weekend.